Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 78 Ford F150 two-wheel drive. Kind of an interesting hood. They louvered it. Pretty straight old truck. Got that typical rust on that front fender and a little bit on his door here. Had a different box put on it. Seat's good. Dash is not good. Windshield's broke. Drives good. 6-cylinder, 4-speed. So kind of a neat truck. There you can see different door card on there. It's a black one instead of blue. You can see this box isn't too bad. Got a little mud down there in the bottom, missing the door, but it's not rusty. Rust here. Tailgate, no bumper. Over here, nice and solid. Doesn't seem to be a rust bucket a little bit there on the cab corner and edge of the door. So pretty front edge of the door too. Pretty solid old truck. Just a cheap Ford F150. Drive us at us or start restore. 605-695-7391.